Hello boys and girls, welcome back to the second part of our science experiment. It was really interesting to get back some of your guesses and your little predictions. Some people thought that this would work, some people thought that it wouldn't work, and some people just weren't sure. Can any of you remember the big fancy word that we use to describe when you're cleaning water? Maybe we could say it together. After two, one, two. Filtration! Well done, you remembered that so well. So if you want to join in with me, these are the different things that you're going to need.
Some dirty water, an empty bottle, some cotton wool, some sand, and some stones or gravel.
So as I said before, you're going to need a big water bottle, but for this part you're definitely going to need an adult or a grown up to help. They're going to need to get a pair of scissors and cut this bottle in half. So I've cut my water bottle in half, just like this. So once you've got it in half, you're going to want to put the top bit and turn it upside down and put it on top of your bottom half. So you can see that this bit's upside down and the lid's off, and it's just sitting in the bottom of the water bottle just like this. So there's the first part done. After that, you're going to want to make some dirty water. So to make some dirty water, you might just want to get some water from the tap and maybe put some muck or some dirt or coffee granules or anything that makes it a little bit dirty into your water bottle. Okay, so you've got the start of your water filter and you've also got your dirty water. So to complete your water filter, we're going to start off by using some of the cotton wool that we have. If you don't have cotton wool, I'm going to post some other things up here that you can use instead of cotton wool. So make sure that your cotton wool or whatever you're using is right down to the bottom, right to where the lid would be on your bottle. So push it right down. And you can put as much or as little cotton wool in as you want. I'm going to use all that I have in my tub. And again, push it down as far as you can go. So there's my cotton wool. Afterwards, we're going to use some sand. And my sand is a bit of a funny colour, as you can see. So we're going to put all of the sand that I have in on top. There's all my sand. And then your stones or your gravel. And again, if you don't have any of these things at home, I'll be posting more information maybe on things that you can use instead of these. So I'm going to just take a scoop or a wee handful of stones and put them right at the top. I'm going to maybe put some more in. So I've got my water filter ready to go. I've got my cotton wool, my sand, it's actually coloured sand, and also some gravel at the top. So here's the fun part. Now this might take a little while for it to work. So I'm going to place this here, and then I'm going to get the dirty water and I'm going to start pouring the dirty water through our water filter. Just hope that you can see it. Ugh. So hopefully you'll be able to start seeing the water that's passing through is no longer dirty. Now this might take maybe another 5 or 10 minutes to completely finish. So I'm going to leave the video on and let you see how it changes. So you're probably wondering what's actually going on. What's happening is our stones, you can actually hear it bubbling, the stones at the top are catching the really big bits of dirt first, and then the sand, it catches all the medium-sized bits of dirt that we mightn't be able to see, and then the cotton wool filters out or catches all the tiny bits of dirt, so the things maybe like really tiny insects or wee tiny bits of dirt that we can't see at all. And you can see that the water is changing, so it's no longer dirty like it is up at the top of the filter, but it's starting to become really clear and it's changing. Can you think of any other words to describe the water at the bottom? So boys and girls, 5 minutes has passed and look at how much water has came through the water filter and look at how clean it is. If you're not completely happy with yours, what you can do is you can put it through the water filter again until you're happier with it. I would really love to see your results as well. So obviously, because this is a science experiment, we can't drink this, and in order for it to get to our taps, obviously a lot more things have to go on to make it clean, so you can't drink this. And also something really important that we should always do at the end of any science experiment is wash our hands to make sure that no germs get near our faces or into our mouths. So again, just to go over what happened, we had 3 different things inside our water bottle that turned into a water filter. Can you remember what the first thing was? Yeah, we had cotton wool. Can you remember what the second thing was? We had some sand. Maybe you use something different, that's okay. And the last thing that we put in was the stones or the bits of gravel. The gravel, remember, caught the really big bits of dirt at the beginning, and then as the water passed through, the sand caught the medium-sized bits of dirt, and then as it got near the bottom, the cotton wool caught the wee tiny bits of dirt that we can't really see. So I hope you had fun doing this at home, and as I said, myself and Miss Bannister would love to see your results, and we could maybe compare them with other people's in the classes. So if you could send us a wee message or a picture of your water filter and all the different materials that you used. Maybe your water's going to be cleaner than mine, or maybe it's going to be a little bit dirtier, but let's compare them and let's find out. See you soon.